channel. My name is Ayam Jukane, a village boy from East Africa. Welcome to this episode. By the title of the video, Secret Inside My 9 meters by 5 meters plot of land. So guys, this plot that I'm standing here is a quarter an acre. So I decided to put a quarter an acre, which I asked my father to keep it aside for me, my family. I am the firstborn in a family of 8 kids. So this portion of land was set aside for me, and I just decided that with a quarter of an acre I can't manage all of it at a time, because you all know the problems that we youth are facing in this country. So I decided that I should take an eighth of it so that I can do maize farming. And in that, I decided that I should cut my farm into portion 9 meters by 5 meters, and just the goal is just to achieve the better yields. I decided that to achieve the quality grains, optimal yields, I decided that I should use a spacing, a row spacing of 75 centimeters as recommended by the agricultural professionals. And I decided that I should use my space, which is which is 30 centimeters between plants, or column spacing interval. So with that, I realized that the seedlings grow healthy, but the problem I'm facing is tillering, because I didn't use the right variety that I expected to use because of lack of these. Because this money speaks a lot. I used hybrid 6213, which is most commonly here in our village, but the seeds are not bad. You can just see the health of the crop, and this is about 1.5 months old, and I just did first top dressing. As you can see, they are about to reach me at the neck or the shoulder.